DJ and I love this song. And put your hands up, oh, keep those hands up for tonight.